Hi, this is Fatima. Here let us discuss about how to create responsive navigation menu in asp.NET Core MVC. Before proceeding to this video, watch my previous video where we have discussed about how to use environment tag helper and when to use in asp.NET Core MVC. In this video, let us create this navigation menu that contains list, create, about and contact, and how to make it responsive based on the large screen and small screen. For the large screen, it should display like this. On click of this icon, it should go to the index page. But the same on the small device, it should list like this with the toggle button. And for the small screen, the navigation menu should be displayed based on the toggle button click that should be displayed at this top right corner. Let us see how to achieve this in our application. This is an asp.NET Core web application we have created with a simple empty project template. Let us use this in order to create a responsive navigation menu in asp.NET Core MVC application. The most important point we need to remember is that the bootstrap we are using here, that is bootstrap 4, has a dependency on jQuery. So here we need to download both bootstrap as well as jQuery into our application. So let us use this same tool library manager in order to download the required jQuery files also. Copy this so now type jQuery when you click on this, it will download the latest version of jQuery and choose the folder jQuery. So now we have used this libman to download the jQuery libraries also. So now we have downloaded the latest version of the jQuery and we have stored that inside this webroot folder under the lib folder. Let us modify this layout first.cshtml view in order to include the navigation menu so that all the views that uses this layout first.cshtml will display the navigation menu that we add here. So let us add our navigation menu here. So first we need to have unordered list of list, create, about, contact with some image. So let us create an unordered list and list items. For list, create, about and contact. So all this must be anchor link and navigate to some page. For example, on click of this list, it should navigate to index page. So in order to achieve this, let us create an anchor link. So mention where it needs to move to on click of this. asp controller is equal to home controller, and the action method is equal to index action method. Let us apply for all the links. Action method is equal to create action method. We have to create a view later. Close the anchor tag. So with these changes in place, now let's run the application and see the output. So we have created the navigation menu items as a link, and we have to make this as horizontal and make its background as black color. Let us do it. Now we have modified this code to keep the navigation menu comes under this class container. Now let's run the application. Comes under the same development that uses the class container bootstrap style. In order to display this list items as horizontal, let us keep this inside this nav tag. So let us expand it horizontally and make it background as dark. Nav bar also dark. With these changes in place, now let's run the application and see. So here now we have to create some space in between the list items and need to add icon here. Let us do that. Let us use the bootstrap style changes of name link. So let us include this image source here. Mention the width and height and make it as an anchor link. On click of this image, it should go to the index view. So let us copy here and paste it here. And use the bootstrap style nav bar brand. With these changes in place, now let's run the application. Now you can see the equal space in between the list items, and we have included this product icon here also. On click of this product icon, it should go to the index page. So now we achieved the navigation menu on the large screen. So for the small screen, instead of display like this, we should have the toggle button. On the click of this toggle, it should toggle this list items. Let us see how to achieve this. So we should include the button tag. Let us include this span element here. Include this unordered list under this development that uses the bootstrap style changes for navbar collapsible button. Already we have included the script jQuery.js and bootstrap.js for this navbar to work as expected. So with these changes, now let's run the application. Now you will see this output as expected. On the click of this toggle button, it's display the neighbor list items. On further toggle, it will hide that list items. So as of now, we created a link for this list and the product icon to move on to the index page. So let us create the view page for the create, about and contact view page in our next video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Our next video is about form tag helper in asp.netcore MVC application. Thank you.